Let's jump into try it now. So if Ethan continues to pay his $5 per week, how many more weeks will he need to pay his mother? Okay, so what's happening here is we already built an equation, right? 75 minus $5 is what he's taking away, and that's his amount that he owes his mother. So here we're saying how many weeks will it take for him to pay his mother? Well, once he pays his mother, how much money will he owe her? So you can keep this table going if you want. You can do 5 and be down at 50. You can do 6 and be down at 45. That's going to take some time, right? So if he's paid his mom all the money that he owed her, how much money does he still owe her? That amount would be 0, right? So really what we're asking you is, can you solve this equation? So again, you can keep this going, or you could try to solve this equation. And it's a little tricky, but what's bothering the variable is a times a -5. We keep that as a negative number. And then we also have, this is a positive 75. So we can minus 75 here and minus 75 there. And we get a new equation that would, the minus 5w equals minus 75. So now, what is the one thing bothering the w? It's a times, and then we can look at it as a times and -5, and we can divide by -5 and divide by -5. So we will get w by itself, and then a negative number divided by a negative number is a positive number. 75 divided by 5 is 15. So it'll take 15 weeks. Or you can use what we did in the last problem. At 12 weeks, he still owed his mom $15. So if he's paying $5 every week, how many more weeks does it take to pay $15? Well, it'd be adding 3 more weeks, right? So 12 plus those 3 more weeks is what we found in this problem. It's 15 weeks, okay? So I'm not picking on you all, but I'm guessing what we just did here was stuff like, we haven't dealt with negative numbers yet. We haven't dealt with dividing by negatives. And we haven't dealt with understanding that that sign is also attached to the 5, so it's a -5. So I get that was challenging. I just want to expose you to it. You also had the option of, on this try it, just to continue this out until you got down to 0.